Hey guys, Martin from Impress Computers, and today we're going to have a little chat about display adapters. Right now we have a Lenovo tower, and this tower will come with something called DisplayPort. For those who are not familiar, it looks just like an HDMI port, but it's not really. These are meant for mostly for computer type of display, not for like big TVs. So this video is about showing you that we have all kinds of adapters that will go from DisplayPort to any output. So if you have like a VGA cable, DVI cable, HDMI, DisplayPort to DisplayPort, you name it, we have it in-house. And we also have this small adapter that will go from display to any of the other outputs. We're talking about VGA, HDMI, or even DVI. If you have any questions about adapters or all kinds of computer repairs or stuff, please give us a call at 281-647-9977. Thank you.